You back?
Yeah. I was in the area, and, any chance of a cuppa?
You best come in. I never got a chance to thank you.
What for?
Legging it when I needed a pal.
I'm sorry, Al. But when that TV thing went belly up, I was ashamed, Al. I just wanted to run away.
Me too, me monkey chum. But I didn't. I stayed and faced the music. So, where have you been?
Oh, around.
Okay. Right, you. In.
Al, it's a boil wash!
1 cup of PG. Just how you like it.
3 stairs clockwise.
2 stairs back.
1 3/4 sugars.
Show it the milk. How long you back for?
I'd like to stay a while. If you'll have me.
Brilliant.
I thought we could make a fresh start.
Get back into the advertising game.
The old team!
The team!
Al, are you okay?
We are unable to bring you 2.4 children due to something wrong with PG Tips Monkey's sidekick, Al. UKTV Gold was forced to sign off due to PG Tips Monkey's sidekick. Here are some few schedule changes on UKTV G2. At 3 p.m, moved from UKTV Gold, It's Only Fools and Horses. At 4 p.m, also moved from UKTV Gold, It's Last of the Summer Wine.